What's going on, everyone? Akeem with Universal Studios Hollywood here, asking park guests about their epic day right here in the park. While having an epic day at Universal is pretty easy, these questions are far from it. Let's go get out and talk to some park guests. You look like a thrill seeker.
No,
you are a thrill seeker.
Okay.
You are constantly seeking thrills.
I'm constantly seeking something, but I don't know if it's thrills.
Well, I'm going to ask you this. Name the enclosed roller coaster ride we have here in the theme park.
Harry Potter.
It's a great ride, but no. Do you need to call your mummy
I need to make that phone call.
to your mummy?
The Simpsons.
Another great ride, but no.
The Minions.
Another great ride, but
No.
I actually don't know.
you really don't know. Do I need to ask your mummy for help?
Oh, the mummy ride.
That's right! Revenge of the Mummy. Boom!
No, I don't need to call him.
Your mummy or
The Mummy.
the mummy?
Um,
Notice how I'm saying it, mummy. I'm not saying it the proper way.
I know the mummy.
There you go. Revenge of the Mummy. Boom!
Revenge of the Mummy.
That's right. Tell your mummy to go ride Revenge of the Mummy.
Here you go.
Yeah. Name the top-rated show here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm gonna let you hold this.
Isn't it the special effects show?
Yeah,
So thirsty.
Well, because we just went to see the DreamWorks show, okay? And that was
new.
That was new. See, because the thing,
Global
A world.
World Star.
WaterWorld? Is it Water?
Yes! Yes!
no, it's the one with the airplane. It's the one with the airplane. WaterWorld.
Well, my favorite show is WaterWorld. So
I didn't even need this. Oh. Name the big adorable monkey we have in the theme park.
King Kong.
No!
King Kong.
No. He's more of a gorilla.
Curious George is a monkey because King Kong's a gorilla, I think. Right?
Yes!
So he's Curious George.
Yes, you got it right. Boom. Although I gotta say, King Kong is amazing. He's ferocious. Now, we have like celebrities that walk around the park every now and then. We actually have some in some of our shows. And this particular celebrity that I'm gonna do the impression of, you can actually see in one of our shows today. All right?
Really? Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do it. It's a dog, yeah. In what show?
Animal, the famous one, animal actors.
Boom! Animal actor show. Did you just cheat? You just looked at the sign. Animal is in it, so you got it half right.
Universal's Animal Actors, sponsored by the Secret Life of Pets.
Well, you know what? I thought my questions were hard, but I guess they really weren't that hard, especially if you're a park guest here having an epic day. Only at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA.